Salt Spring, we not going under. I'll get on you, get your money longer. Ready, broke pocket now work. Straight from the narrow now, make no wrong turn. Chaddy, cheddar, money maker any weather.
So, people, who are going, I hope everybody good. The settings here kind of different still, you see me? I don't really feel like show my face in another video here, you see me? I'm not able to forward on camera. So we just have a whole reason. So, to the topic, we want to talk about a Vybz Kartel and the song here we name Any Weather. Produced by Chaddy Records, you see me? So, Anonymous Loop, big up yourself. Anonymous Loop, give me a Batman page what you said, dog. What kind of style? I see you talk about Kartel song. Dog, don't you ever dare talk about Kartel song. When you review Kartel song, you make sure you do one whole video for Kartel. You don't talk about a Kartel song in our next topic. Don't do that something there. And me I listen and I say, alright brother, don't worry yourself. So we are going to read about that song there today. Yeah people, me sure say gonna watch probably some of the reviews them and everybody talk about the song. And yeah, the song is a pretty good song. The song is a bad song. I one of the baddest, if not the baddest song me hear since year start. See? So we get over that, so the song then bad. All of the lyrics in that. Me don't feel like so we have to go over it. You see me? But what we have to talk about is the mixing of the song. And people mixing and mastering, and everybody can do it. You see me? That's why I have to big up Chaddy Records again. Because that song here, I think I one of the best mix me ever hear for a song. You see me? You see all in the little part where you must say, yo, get the way, like, alright, me I go play the part there right now. You see me? Me now want to do all of that editing for that video here. But me I go play the part there right now for making you know what me I say.
Mommy say sonny, nobody with the copper. Me never listen, but it never matter.
So that part there, me I tell you say, yo, it bad. The whole of the song just mix and mellow, and the song nice. The song nice. So the song did 200,000 views in a one day, and people who correct me in the comment section if I'm wrong. But that are 200,000 views on YouTube in a one day. And then now the song do 1 million views. 1 million views on YouTube in 4 days. So people, we all realize and know say that song here bad. But Vybz Kartel, why you deal with the DJ them so? Cheese and peas, man, Kartel. Last year them they say you fall off, you know. And last year them they say you not get the hit. But sure say them can't say that this year. Because we just in April already. And me can count couple hits well. Where me know say them a solid hit. Nobody can go around them hit song there. And people me never go talk them in the comment section. More uno, just comment the Vybz Kartel song them. Where you feel say it for this year in the comment section. You see me? So people, this again, when me I tell you say, me no feel say no other artist could have do what Vybz Kartel I do right now. Kartel they behind the bars for like about 7-8 years somewhere there so. You see me? And Kartel continue to send out like continuous hits. It's after it's after it's after it's after it's Kartel in the media straight like me not see how somebody can go a week and not talk about Vybz Kartel. Because Vybz Kartel is so much in the media. Whether he might deliver some big bad song, you see me? Whether it's some controversy on his social media. So Vybz Kartel is always relevant. Yeah. So Vybz Kartel always relevant. You see me? And me want uno comment in the comment section because me don't know the artist there, but probably uno know the artist we can go to jail for 7 years and still stay relevant. Probably uno know the artist we can go to jail for 7 years and still deliver it's after it's after it's after it's. I went since they put KFC out there so. Never know say KFC they have a view, you know. People say KFC they have a view. It's a good look. That one they brand new. Anyway, back to the Vybz Kartel, something we are talking about. Because we have to crown Vybz Kartel the king. We have to say, no other artist cannot do what Vybz Kartel do. You see me? And me don't know about that song you name anyway. That song you bring back a vibes in a dancehall. That song you I go make people, a bag of people start the money tune, you know. And remember me telling you, see I go have couple artists start to some conscious tune, start to some money tune. You see me? Because if you did broke, that song you make you want to get rich. And if you're rich already, that song you make you want to spend out some of the money where you have. You see me? For yourself. Or that song you would have said about make you want to get richer than oh, you're rich already. Because the man say he might go for the money in any weather. Meaning any circumstances. You see me? Once you now go so booms and sell out and go low. You go for the money in any weather. Yo. Hold on there. Hello? Yeah. Me no reach it. Me still up on the road. Me almost reach.
Flower me, no?
Flower me. Yeah, man. Me soon reach, man. Me soon reach. I move. Yeah. Why we interrupt right there. So, but me don't know still. As I say, wanna comment in the comment section which artist could have got jail and stay at jail so long and still have built it. And people want to show another point here now. Like we say, Vybz Kartel. Because people have it for say Vybz Kartel a record behind bars. Me no know, me never did it. Me never see Vybz Kartel a record behind bars. Me no have no evidence or no facts. Say Vybz Kartel a recording song them behind bar. But since as uno say Vybz Kartel a record behind bar, you see me? So we can compare him with the artists them on the road. Alright, Vybz Kartel a record behind bar. Members say in a legit enough and we just say Vybz Kartel a record behind bar. That means say Vybz Kartel can't use no new lyrics. Vybz Kartel can't talk about no current topics. Vybz Kartel cannot talk about anything that happened yesterday, last week. A matter of fact, Kartel can't talk about nothing what happened in the last 7 years. You have to talk about things before that. So which artists would have still stay relevant based on the fact so them can't talk about anything was relevant? You see me? Them can't go in a relevant argument with nobody. You see me? Them can't talk about IG in them video, in them song. You see it? Alright, boom. Like we say, who know have it for say Vybz Kartel a recycle him lyrics and a recycle him lyrics straight. Yo, who could a recycle them lyrics straight and still get hits? That means that the man a king. So anything what you say, Vybz Kartel alone can him not do good or that alone him a do. You see me? It's still shot. And people still are watch it. People still are listening. Him a get views. You see me people? Anyway, this is my little review upon the whole me any weather. Every time I hear any weather, more say me weather, you know. But anyway that, you see me? So people, this is what I want to do. We want to just grade this song out of 10. Just grade it in the comment section out of 10. Where 10 is the highest and 1 are the lowest. I don't know who I go put 1 still. Probably some people who don't really know it song or good song. You see me? So guess what? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook. You see me? Chaddy Murray TV everywhere. You see it? And left a like on this video if you like it. So people, my God.
With the leather, petty cheddar, money maker any weather. Perry treasure, dig it up with the leather. Me fi have a chopper, watch it a propeller. Me house fi off, elevator not a leather. Daddy says son, them a tell we say no better. No dead but I like that, blessing of forever.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again, people. I go and I hope everybody good. I hope everybody have a good day. You see me? So today is April the 2nd. Tuesday, April the 2nd, and you know how the thing go. We have some stories for you. You see me? Some hot topic, quite hot topics, you see me? But before we go into the video, people, don't forget, if you're watching on YouTube, leave a like on the video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. That's Chaddy Murray TV. And if you are watching on Facebook, leave a like or react to the video anyhow you want to react to it. And follow me on Facebook, so that's Chaddy Murray TV. Same way, we almost at 1,000 followers over there and almost 6,000 followers over YouTube.
So people, the first topic what me want to talk about, or I should say